Hi, welcome to Learn Generative AI in 5 minutes. Today's topic is definition of machine learning and what are the different types of machine learnings. Let's see that. First, we will see the definition. The machine learning, as discussed, it is subset of artificial intelligence. So it is very different from normal programming. In normal programming, be it a Python code or C language, C++, Java, or any kind of language, is to build a program. That program will take some input and execute once and generate output. That is a normal programming. So we have been writing thousands of programs. We have been executing in this way. But machine learning programming is little different. When you write algorithm and submit algorithm for execution, that algorithm will execute multiple times again and again till it identifies the exact results or till it meets the predefined conditions. This is called iterative. These machine learning algorithms are iterative. Here machine is nothing but a computer. Learning is nothing but execution. That means executing algorithm on the data repeatedly over and over until certain predefined conditions are met. Right? So whenever it meets the predefined conditions, it will stop execution, but it will definitely execute more than once, at least once. So that is the behavior of machine learning algorithms, or it can be defined this way also. Learning algorithms are generally run until the point final analysis results will not change no matter how many times you execute that algorithm. Right? I hope you are clear about machine learning algorithm definition. Right? Let's see the different types of machine learning techniques. Right? So here you see majorly three types: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning. These are very important machine learning algorithms: supervised and supervised reinforcement. Within supervised, here again we have a classification, regression. In unsupervised algorithm we have a clustering, and reinforcement algorithm we have a decision making. Yes, we'll stop it here. We'll meet in the next video, a new topic.